Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Not Umayeni and Umangwabe saying the same thing about Umaxele, you guys. Ukuthi Umaxele is basically a moody person that is like the weather namhlanje. You don't know if they're hot, if they're cold, if they, you know what. Now, uMukuzana, uMusa, when he explained the situation, ukuthi when uMayeni benomangwabe, when they come and fetch the children, abangene endlini, they just root the car and just take the kids. When I heard that, I'm just like, that is so rude. Why would you leave your kids with me and then just come and root in my yard or at the gate and the kids must just come out and you did not even say hello? Up until we heard when Umangwabe and Umayeni, two separate occasions or two separate he was speaking to them separately. That's what I'm trying to say. But they're saying the same thing. Ukuthi uNokuzana, uMaxele makes it difficult for them ukuthi bambonge because you never know if she's in a good mood, if she's in a bad mood. So you just feel like you need to give a person a space okay? Because you never know what type of mood they're in. Now, there's also something that I realized in this episode, you guys, that Umangwabe kind of explained. Because uMangwabe says, no, Musa, Tina, we thought ukuthi wena une arrangement noMaxele, Tina says ukuthi you pay, you give uMaxele extra money so that the kids can stay there. And remember, we heard from Umaxele. Umaxele says, no, there's no extra money that she's getting. I'm like, Musa, why you xabanisa abantu? Because the other two wives think ukuthi wena you taking out extra money. The one wife, Umaxele, akayazi leyo extra money. Now it's, do you understand what I'm saying? I'm just like, Musa is pushing his own agenda, which is that he wants his kids to be in one place, but he's not speaking the truth amongst these women, and it's causing a conflict. But anyway, guys, as I'm saying, ukuthi, now two people can't be saying the same thing about one person, you guys. And I feel like sometimes what I don't like about Lesus Tembu is that I feel like Umusa enforces his wives to give Umaxele respect and to show Umaxele respect. But I'm asking myself, does she do the same? Because the wives will also say, Umaxele, we have kept her children, but she doesn't do the same. So the question is, why does she want the other wives to thank her, whereas she doesn't thank the other wives? Do you understand what I'm saying? And Umusa, why does you want the other wives to uphold Umaxele, whereas she doesn't even give the other wives the room to do that? Hi guys, like sometimes I'm just like, this thing is unfair. It's almost as if everyone is coming into a situation where there's a queen, the queen being Umaxele. We are just all meant to like be sensitive around her and serve her needs because now Kuge, she did this big thing for us. Which, yes, she did a big thing for them. But if we're being quite honest, guys, she didn't open up the door for polygamy for them. No, she did it for her man. She did not do it for Umangwabe, Umaxele. She did not do it for Umangwabe, Umayeni, and Umakhumalo. She did it for her man, you guys. I get to Wuti, there needs to be an appreciation for that. But sometimes I just kind of feel like it's kind of borderline giving, I don't know what type of vibes. Not only that, there's something that I heard Utobile saying, which maybe gives me some sort of understanding ukuthi why uMangwabe noMayeni feel the need ukuthi just because they don't want uMakhwela, then uMakhwela shouldn't be around. Now I'm gonna be honest, guys, I kind of felt like it was unnecessary for uMangwabe and uMayeni to say ukuthi they don't want to see uMakhwela, because if uMakhwela is going to become a wife, you guys, I mean, like how is Umusa supposed to navigate the situation where they never gonna meet, where Umayeni and Umangwabe are never gonna meet Umakhwela? Like, it's highly impossible. But Utobile said, when we came into this polygamy situation, Umaxele did not want, I'm paraphrasing, right? Umaxele did not want us. And so Tina safihlwa in a sense, up until uMacele got to a point where she accepted us. And that's where we could freely be around her or around Igceke lakwamSelegu, right? And she was saying that to say to uMselegu, keep the same treatment. You know that there's some wives who don't want uMakwela, so keep uMakwela where she's welcomed, which is kwaMacele, up until the other wives have gotten to a place where uMacele has gotten to where they can accept her. Now, that's why I'm saying maybe the other wives feel like, well, Musa, if that's how we were treated, then what makes uMakwela so special that yena she's been enforced on us even if singamfuni, whereas we were never enforced on uMacele because she did not want us. Then again, I guess they're going to use, or I guess uMusa is going to use the thing of ukuthi uMacele is umamkhulu. So which kind of gives the vibes ukuthi umamkhulu is allowed to mistreat people or allowed to speak to anyhow to people, because I mean she's the one who opened the way for you guys or paved the way for you guys, but then when it comes to her, she doesn't want that type of treatment. I'm just like, uMacele, guys, no, two people can't be saying the same thing about you. She needs to be kinder to the wives. If she wants the wives to continue to be kind to her and live in harmony, she needs to tone it down a little bit, Banja. Anyway, guys, that's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.